Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by acting with admin privileges and a current backup of your firewall settings. This prevents accidental lockouts. Next, identify exactly which outbound ports, protocols, or destination IPs you need to block and why, then choose the scope, per application, per user, or system-wide, for precision. Once done, open your firewall management console and start a new outbound rule. This first actionable step moves from planning to execution. Make sure to label the rule clearly so you can audit it later. With the rule started, specify outbound direction, choose the protocol such as TCP or UDP, and set exact port numbers or ranges to block. Then map the rule to the application executable path or a user account when you need granularity. This prevents breaking unrelated services. After that, set the action to block and optionally enable logging so you can review blocked attempts. Once configured, apply the rule in a test mode if available, to observe effects without fully enforcing it. You now deploy the rule and immediately run targeted tests from affected hosts to confirm outbound connections are blocked as intended. Check your firewall logs for denied entries. If a critical service is impacted, roll back using your backup or disable the rule and reevaluate scope. Make sure to refine exceptions rather than broad denials. If things go wrong, enable verbose logging and simulate the exact traffic pattern. This single troubleshooting tip usually reveals whether the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.